Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to change your Facebook password, keeping your account secure and up-to-date. In today's digital age, maintaining strong passwords is crucial for protecting your personal information. Let's dive right into the simple steps you need to follow. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, the process is similar. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon, which is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. On an iPhone, this is located at the bottom right corner, while on Android it's at the top right. Tap on these lines to open the menu, then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. From there, tap on Settings to access more options. Now you'll see a section called Accounts Center. Tap on this to manage your connected Meta accounts. Inside the Accounts Center, navigate to Password and Security. This is where you can manage all your login details. Scroll down until you see the option to Change Password. Tap on this to proceed with updating your password. Now, enter your current password to verify your identity. Next, type in your new password twice to confirm it. Make sure your new password is strong and unique, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This will help keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Once you've entered your new password, tap on Change Password to save the changes. You might receive a verification code via email to confirm the change. Follow the instructions provided to complete the process. Changing your password regularly is a good practice to maintain account security. It's also a good idea to check which devices are logged into your account and log out of any you don't recognize. This ensures that your account remains secure even if someone else has accessed it without your permission. By following these steps, you'll have successfully updated your Facebook password and enhanced the security of your account. Remember, staying vigilant about your online security is key in today's digital world. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in keeping your Facebook account safe and secure.